Hello and welcome to another Magna Forex and analysis series. This is episode 15. Thank you very much for your support. Without wasting any time, let's get into this week's analysis. Okay, like always, we begin with Aussie dollar. For Aussie dollar, in the previous analysis video, my anticipation was that price would retest 0.6580, and which we eventually did. We came to 0.6580 perfectly, created a pin bar, stayed above our monthly key level here. We stayed above our monthly key level, and we also stayed above these weak rejections that we have here. Okay, so 1 2 pin bar followed by a bullish engulfing candle, and then we went for the moon. Targets for Aussie dollar were 0.6680, 0.6680, okay, somewhere around here. And at this level we had some sort of reactions, as you can see, but price continued going upwards. Okay, so as you can see, we rejected off 0.6680, created this huge pin bar with wicks thrown to the upside, but then we retested our significant level here, then created a bullish engulfing candle. So after we created this bullish engulfing candle, I had confirmation that price would continue to go to the upside, and I entered a trade here. I'll make sure to post a market breakdown of the trade so that you know exactly how I analyzed the market and executed the trade. Okay, so we went properly to the upside and hit our take profit on Friday. Very good trade. For Aussie dollar currently now, we have reached another significant level. So my anticipation is that Aussie dollar might begin to retrace. We might even retrace back up to 0.6680. If not 0.6680, we may come down to 0.66600 or 0.6660. That's one we may come to around this level. So 0.6680 and 0.6660. That's where I'm anticipating Aussie dollar to retrace back to. Okay. Yeah, last case scenario is we break both levels, but I doubt that may happen. I doubt that will happen. So I'll make sure to keep you updated in the Telegram channel. If you'd like to join the Magna Forex Institute Telegram channel, I'll leave the link in the description below. From Aussie dollar, we head over to gold. So for gold, in the previous analysis video, we were making this retracement here, and my expectation was that gold was to come and find support at 1940, which we eventually did. Found support at 1940, created this pin bar candle here, followed by an engulfing bullish candle, where we executed the trade. But price has been failing to break 1970. Price eventually got to 1970 and sharply rejected from the level, but we still stayed above 1940. We then created a bullish engulfing candle with two doji candles, where in the lower time frame I was able to execute a trade. As you can see with this small position size calculator, I was able to execute a trade. If I can go down to the 30-minute time frame, okay, the internet connection is quite slow. Okay, so here had this level marked out. So after the test of the significant level I had marked out here, I entered my trade here, 1946 to 1957, about 10 pips, worth it. Risk was 1 pip, yeah, from 46 to 44, 1 pip risk, and 10 pip gain. Very good risk to reward ratio for a day trade. I can't complain. So at least I got something out of gold, got something from gold. We eventually came out from drawdown, but then again price failed to break 1970. It looks like we're making lower highs, equal highs here, and we might just retrace again to fill in this gap here. If you can see, we have a huge gap here, and price might come and retrace to fill in this gap here. So for gold, I'm expecting price to find support probably at 1950. Bars still bullish though. Bars is still bullish. Yeah, 1950, or I already have this level marked out, which is 1945. So 1950 or 1945, either one of these two levels, price will come and find support, then continue to shoot to the upside and continue its move to the upside. I'm going to keep this trade on. And I'll make sure to keep you updated in the Telegram channel. So gold, 1945, 1950, that is where I'm expecting price to come find support. If we can get out our Fibonacci, and from our low to the high, 1945 is our 78.6 level, and 1950 is our 61.8 level. Yeah, so valid setup in my case. Targets 1980. So as you can see, I left this note to look out for 1980. So 1980 looks like a very significant level. If I can just put my crosshair here, you can see we have resistance here, we have support. So 1980, significant level. Okay, so that's it for gold. We then head over to Euro USD. So for Euro USD, we also made a couple of pips. A very good trading week. In the previous analysis video for Euro USD, my expectation was that price will come to 1.0700 and find support, or it might come down to 1.0670. 1.0670, which we eventually did. We eventually did come down to 1.0670 and short to the upside. This first trade that we took here with St. Luke, where price came down to 1.0700 and created this bullish engulfing candle. So we took this trade here, and our targets were 1.08300. 1.08300 was our target, but price failed to go higher and then went back into drawdown, then went to find support at 1.0670. From 1.0670, in the lower time frames, we started creating bullish structure, which enticed us to enter this other trade here. So as you can see, we have this other trade here, which was entered at 1.0691 and targets were 1.0774. So over 100 pips. Over 100 pips. I guess, sorry, not 100 pips, 83 pips. 83 pip trade, TP hit, and yeah, we left the market. This other trade, we left it running, 119 pip trade. Though currently when the market opens, we will take profit. If you are in the Euro USD trade, I encourage you to take profit because I'm seeing price come down further, probably to 1.0700 again. Find support, grab liquidity, and continue its move to the upside. So we wouldn't want to see ourselves back in drawdown again, because we might not even go or continue our move to the upside. We might just hit our stop loss and change our trend. So my advice to you is just take profit. If you're in the trade, when the market opens, take your profit. Wait for another opportunity to enter the trade. Wait for another opportunity to enter the trade. If you are still confident in the trade, you can take partials. It doesn't hurt to take partials. Taking partials has never hurt anyone, so you can take some partials. Yeah, so I'm expecting price to come around this zone here, though this zone is too big. So I'm just going to leave it at 1.0780. I'm just going to keep my eye on this level here, this zone here, this huge wick, this black wick that we have, this black candle that we have here. That's why I'm going to keep my eye 1.0700 and look for potential longing opportunities. So Euro USD long. I'm long on Euro USD. If I can just get these two here. Okay. Targets still remain the same, 1.08300, 129 pips from 1.0700. So we'll see how price develops. Very good trade if you ask me. 129 pips. Not many catch 129 pips in the forex market. Very few actually catch over 100 pips. So 129 pips is a very big deal. So watch out for these levels. Euro USD. Okay, from Euro USD we head over to US 30. Okay, so for US 30, my prediction was that price would find support at 33,500. 33,500 here, which we eventually closed above 33,500 and began to trade above 33,500. Never took this trade because I don't trade US 30. I already mentioned that. So those people that entered this trade, you made a couple of pips. We made very good pips actually for a US 30 trade. US 30 again, targets were 33,900. Target 1, 33,900, of which we eventually fulfilled the target. Target 2, 34,000. Though you can take your profits at 33,900 if you took the trade. That is, if you took the trade. Very good trading week this one. One of those weeks at Magna Forex Institute. So for US30, I'm anticipating price to come down to 33,600. 33,600. From there we might shoot to the upside. We might shoot to the upside from 33,600. So let me just mark out this level. That's if the network will allow me, because I'm experiencing very bad network here. Okay, so no. So no. Oh, I'm still experiencing bad internet. But keep in mind 33,600. Yeah, 33,600. I cannot see any other level that I can anticipate price coming down to. But 33,600 targets 34,100. That is if we come down to 33,600. Okay, that's it for US30 short and sweet analysis. Okay, for GBP USD, we had nice price action, very beautiful price action. We had this trade on here, but we never took the trade because we were out and about. So we missed the opportunity to enter the trade. And if we were to enter the trade, we would be risking more. So like we have been stating, like I have been stating in the previous videos, not every trade is guaranteed. So we never took this trade because we know that not every trade is guaranteed. And if we were to enter or execute this trade, we were going to be risking more than what is stated in our trading plan. So we let the trade play out. But it would have been a very good trade. It would have been a very good trade. 200 pip trade. 200 pip trade. A very good trade. So we were shy of probably 5 pips. 5 pips away from the target. So can't complain. These are the markets. We will just look for another opportunity, because opportunities in the forex market are always around the corner. So for GU, in the previous analysis video, GU retracement was to 1.2400. 1.2400. Which is around this level, which we eventually did come down to 1.2400. That is why you can see this trade, though this trade was executed on lower time frames, was going to be executed on the lower time frame. That's why you can see us taking the trade below 1.2400, but we found support at 1.2400, and then targets were 1.2600, where you can see that price was about to reach the level, but we were shy of a few pips. Very good analysis from the previous analysis video, precise analysis. So currently, GBP USD expectations are price will retrace to 1.24500, 1.2450. That's my expectation for a GU. If we do not find support here, we might come down to 1.2400 again. From there, its next target level, which is 1.2650. Okay, that's another 200 pip trade. That's another 200 pip trade. So look out for GU 1.24500 support level, because bias is still bullish, so we might find support there, or we might come down to 1.2400, one of these two levels. Okay, Okay, that's it for US30. We do not need to take long. We can then head over to the dollar. All right, without wasting any time, because it's getting pretty late to where I am. It's actually 11 p.m. Okay, so for the dollar, for the dollar index, in the previous analysis video, I think we were around 102, if I'm not mistaken. No, 102 is down there. We were around 104. Yeah, 104, not 102. 104. We were around 104. I think we were here. Yeah. Then my expectation was that price would tumble down, maybe come down to 103, if I'm not mistaken. Targets were 103. Okay, so we did not actually meet our target 103. We actually came up to 103.2, 103.3 actually, 103.3. My target was 103 flat. Okay, so targets here 103. In due time we will eventually meet 103. For now, I think we are about to make another retracement that will create a further push to the downside. If the network will allow us, let me just mark out the area where I'm expecting price to find resistance. That is if you guys are lucky. Okay, you guys are lucky. I bet you guys have been praying. Okay, you guys should be praying. Prayer is a very powerful tool. Very powerful tool we've been given by the One, the Almighty. Okay, so I'm expecting price to find a resistance at 103.80. Let's go for a psychological level. So 103.90, sorry, not 103.80. So let's just move our arrow to 103.90. We can just leave it here. Okay, here. So my expectation for price is to retrace back up to 103.90. From there, begin a rejection and find support at 103 flat. So here we go. Here, resistance to the downside. Sorry for that. To the downside, yeah, something like that. So that's my expectation for gold. Let me just take a screenshot. Okay, so that's my expectation for gold. 103.90, target 103. Okay, that's it for episode 15 of the Sunday analysis series. Hope you have gained some knowledge. Hope you have been taking some notes. Thank you very much for watching the video this far. If you have gained anything from the video, a like and a subscribe will be very helpful to our channel, and will also be helpful to you because I will be motivated to create more content. Even though you don't subscribe, I will still be motivated to create more content for you guys, just for you guys to have a reference point of where you can have a raw and uncut information about the forex market, unlike these other forex YouTubers that give you vague information about the forex market. If I was starting out forex, when I was starting out forex, I wish I had a YouTube channel like this one that gives raw and uncut information about what trading really is about. Thank you, and see you in the next video.